freedom. Life should be about creating and enjoying your freedom. The freedom to step away from your computer and have your business keep working for you. The freedom to be with your kids whenever you want. Now, most solopreneurs and coaches are spending too much time taking away from that freedom by creating content that doesn't get them results. And social media and video content aren't going anywhere. But the solopreneurs and coaches who are going to thrive are those who know where they should step back and not waste their time. Things like posting on promo days in Facebook groups, forcing themselves to post something on social media every day, spending hours creating videos that don't connect or convert. And instead, they're investing in learning and creating the content that is effective and fast at creating them reach and impact. There are already solopreneurs and coaches creating that freedom in their lives using video and social media. People creating online video courses, evergreen content on YouTube, automated video funnels that reach, resonate, and convert their audience so they can spend their time on the things they want to prioritize in their lives. These are the profitable video creating solopreneurs and coaches. But if we don't create the right freedom creating videos that give us the results we need, we're going to be working more hours than that 9-to-5 job that we left, which will take away from our family, our friends, our passions. And maybe despite all that hard work, it only leads to resentment from our loved ones, or even ourselves towards our business. And we become that statistic of most businesses closing within 3 to 5 years of starting. It's our job to create that freedom we crave, the freedom that we need in our business and our lives. So if you're like me and you want to create your own freedom using video and stop posting on those promo days and playing social media roulette, you're going to want to stick around on this channel by hitting like and watch the next video.